Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you just getting started with Notion databases and want to master some essential tools for organizing your workspace? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to filter, group, and sort your Notion databases. 3 core features that will take your productivity to the next level. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find what you need, organize data your way, and get more from Notion, even if you're brand new. Let's dive in. Right here, we have a sample Notion database open. Maybe it's your content calendar, a collection of notes, or even your reading list. At first glance, all the entries might seem a bit overwhelming, but with just a few clicks, we can make it meaningful and manageable. At the top right corner of any Notion database, you'll notice options for filter and sort. These are your best friends when it comes to customizing how your information appears. There's also a settings menu where you'll find the group feature. We'll get to that in a moment. Let's start with filtering. Go ahead and click Filter. This feature lets you narrow down what you see based on certain criteria, called properties. What are properties? In Notion, each item in your database has properties like tags, dates, titles, or keywords. So if you only want to see items that meet specific conditions, a filter is what you need. For this demo, let's say our database has a keywords property, and we want to only see entries tagged with Key 1. Open the Filter menu, select the Keywords property, and choose Key 1. Instantly, Notion pulls up only the items matching this criterion. This is super useful if you're looking for all tasks assigned to a particular team, or maybe you just want to see blog posts related to a specific topic you're researching. Don't worry if you have lots of properties. You can stack filters for very precise results. Take a moment to play around. You'll see just how powerful this can be. After filtering, let's move on to sorting. Right next to filter, you'll see sort. Sorting helps you control the order in which your items appear, making trends and priorities much easier to see. For example, maybe you want your tasks arranged by their due dates, so the soonest deadlines show up first. Click Sort and choose the Date property. You can pick ascending order, which puts earlier dates first, or descending, which flips it around so the latest dates are at the top. Sorting is amazing for seeing progress over time, keeping your priorities straight, or just giving your list a logical flow. If you're not sure which direction to use, experiment. You can always undo or change it. Now let's talk about grouping, which is slightly different but just as useful. Grouping is found in the database Settings. So click on Settings. Look for the option labeled Group. What does grouping do? It arranges your entries into clusters based on a chosen property, almost like sorting your bookshelf by author or genre. For this demonstration, let's group by another keywords property, but let's pick Key 3 this time. Select Group, then choose your property and the value you want to group by. Notion will instantly reorganize the database, putting all matching entries together. This makes it much easier to spot connections, compare similar items, or focus on just one area of your work. Remember, these tools, filter, sort, and group, can be combined in endless ways to create the exact view you need. If anything didn't work right away, don't stress. Sometimes settings take a few tries, and Notion lets you undo anything, so you can experiment without worry. And that's it. With filter, sort, and group, you'll never feel lost in your Notion database again. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, drop any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!